Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me, Flight Simulator 2024, and now I'm gonna show you how to start first setup on this game. Click Start Setup, and here we should select graphics firstly, and based on your system capabilities, we recommend the following graphics preset. So it recommends me to use medium graphics preset. You can manually choose high-end or ultra settings, but basically it's a very good idea to choose recommended settings. Controls. We have detected the following devices and have applied default controls here. So, okay, if you have connected a controller, it will ask you for controller here. Language, and here you can change the language if you want, but firstly it will load the language package and install it. Spoken dialect language, I want to use English too. Authentic ATC language. Subtitles, if you want to disable it, you can do it right now. Units of measurements, US, I want to use metric system because I live in Europe. So now click Control Enter. And what about assists? So you can review and customize these settings now or at any point from the options menu. So I want to use all assist for the beginning, and maybe later I will use default assist. Customize identity. So here we can create our character. So for example, I like this guy. Okay. Appearance. So you can change really everything here. As you can see, it's like a Snapchat. Okay, maybe I like this type. Okay, and click continue. So cool, that's it. And now we can fly it. So as you can see, here we have world photographer activities. Here we have challenges and other cool features. Career, so we can build career here, free flights without any changes in career. Challenge league and marketplace. Here we can buy planes and skins for it. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.